Mohit, if you are ready, please unmute yourself and start your presentation.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everybody. I am CA Mohit Gaba. I am practicing in GST. As chartered accountants practicing in GST, we deal with various type of notices, assessments, compliances, where accuracy, drafting, and presentation is everything. And we receive various type of notices these days. And most of the times, we have started using AI tools for replying to these notices. Even our institute's AI, CAGPT is used by many chartered accountants while replying to the notices and getting queries to related to the GST law. But the AI tools we use have many limitations. Many times there are hallucination issues. They generate fake or false citations. And since these AI tools are based on vast database, the many times the relevant reply is not received. The when we seek a reply to a notice, irrelevant citations and judgments are also received, and the format is also sometimes not very professional. And to overcome these limitations, I developed my custom GPT, which the name is GST Guide. And to this GPT tries to overcome all these limitations. It acts as a law referencer. I can get a reply to the various type of questions related to GST, and it also acts as a tool for drafting replies to the notices. I have developed JSON prompts which has given instructions in Chat GPT to so that the answer received is very structured. I have also developed a standard operating procedure which I have uploaded in this GPT so that the replies are always according to my choice, my structure, which I want the reply should be only on that basis. And database I have already also uploaded, and the judgments and many times which are hallucination issues are there in GPTs. I have selected only relevant judgments and only landmark judgments, which I don't want to include many time 10, 15, 20 judgments in my device. I only want two, three important judgments, and I have included important judgments only in the knowledge base. And I have given instructions that it should not go beyond the knowledge base. It should give me reply according to what is I have been uploaded in the knowledge base. Now I will show the this is where I have prepared the GPT. I have given the instructions, and instructions have been given in JSON format. In here, I have included all the relevant material: GST laws, GST rules, circulars, judgments, notifications, and even after this 22nd September changes, I have included those changes also. So it will act as a rate finder also. Let me show you how it will. I have received a notice like this from the GST department, which I have detected. I will upload it in GPT and to seek a reply. Prompt I have already created. It contains the facts of the case because facts are always different in every case. So the notice has been uploaded, and the facts I have stated in the prompt. Now the Chat GPT will generate a reply to this notice according to my format, which every professional has a different format to reply to the notice. So I have already given the SOP according to which it has to reply. So it has generated a reply to the ad notice according to my standard format. See, first it has given to whom it is addressed, then it is given which no type of notice it was there, GSA number, then on the grounds on which has been issued, then grounds of lie and supporting judicial view. and see the judicial review. It is referring to only the judgments which I have already uploaded in the knowledge base. It is not going beyond that. This reply I can very safely, after minor changes, I can file with the office. Now see how it finds the rates of goods. With effect from 22nd September, the rates of various goods and services have changed. So I have included the notifications in this knowledge base also. So I want to know the rate of the machinery under HSN code 8436. So it will provide me the rates according to the new notification and the position which was there before 22nd September also. Earlier the rate was 12%, and now it has been reduced to 5%. It is giving me the rates according to it is mentioning the notification number also, and the new notification number also, earlier notification number also, and it has been prepared a summary also. It has been the GPT has been prepared only for GST purpose. It it will not answer anything if I ask it about anything other than GST. For example, if I ask it about Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, it will not answer. It will say not found in the provided GST knowledge base, because my GST custom GST is only for GST purpose. It will not search the net. It will not find anything else other than the provided knowledge base. Recently, there was a case judgment of Mohini traders versus state of UP. This judgment relates to GST, and it is a very important judgment. But I have not included it in my knowledge base. So it will not provide me detail of this judgment also, because I don't want it to hallucinate. Therefore, it is very restricted. Only the judgments which I have included in the knowledge base, only those judgments it will provide. See, in here also it is saying it not found in the provided knowledge base, because I don't want it to hallucinate anything. So it acts as a loss referencer, it acts as a GST rate finder, and it with a 0% hallucination rate. And only relevant judgments and relevant replies are received, 100% issue relevance. And the format is also according to my need, 100% professional format, which I can readily, with minor changes, I can readily submit to the GST department. So that is all from my side. I'm open to questions.
Okay. So, Mohitji, just a quick question. You mentioned that you have not uploaded all the case laws to that GPT. Only you have uploaded case laws which are relevant for your working, right?
Yes, yes,
Am I getting it right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Only the landmark judgments if I have uploaded. Because one issue, there may be many judgments, but I have uploaded Supreme Court judgment, High Court judgments. And these judgments are mainly 1 month old. After 1 month, if there are new judgments, I have to update every time.
So you will update every time. There is no online process through
Maybe
which it gets
fortnightly
updated automatically.
no, it will not be. I will update fortnightly or monthly according to my choice.
So, say for example, today is 3rd of October. Today, any judgment passed. You updated your chatbot, say for example, on 30th of September or 1st of October. Now you
Yes.
will update it either on 15th of October or 31st of October, right?
Whatever at my convenience.
Whatever
Yes.
at your convenience. So
Yes.
if that case law which has been say judgment came today, that is on 3rd of October, will be updated in your chatbot by the end of the month. So
Whatever I
meanwhile,
yes.
if your team or you generate any replies, that those replies will not be covering that judgment which is passed today,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
So will that be a negative aspect of this particular tool which you have created? Tool is good. It is working nicely.
Yes,
Hallucination
yes,
you have hallucination you mentioned, you controlled hallucination very rightly. You just switched off that web search from that custom GPT, so it is not hallucinating. That is good. So is it like that for next 15, 20 days, or by the time you are updating the new case laws, your replies will be going based on the old case laws, and new case laws will not be considered at the time of filing the replies?
yes, but whenever a new judgment or landmark judgments comes, we immediately search the net and find the judgment. So if I feel that a judgment is very relevant for my replies, then I can update it immediately also. It is not that I will update after 15 days only. So it is my
Okay.
choice whenever I want to update.
Okay. And who will be users of this particular tool? Is it for all, or is it for
I
your
have made
team
it
only?
public, but it will be only for link sharing basis. I will share the
Okay,
link
link
only
sharing.
those. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, that's all from my side. Rahul bhai.
Just a query, Mohit. What is the maximum file size and file numbers that you can upload in your chatbot in custom
There, I
GPT?
think I think the 12 files and 512 MB per file.
MBs, yes, sir. So
Yes,
suppose you get new judgment. So what you do, you just combine, you merge the files and then you upload it. This
yes,
is what
yes.
you're
And
doing
PDF
for
file.
every judgment.
Yes, 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 yes.
Suppose the chat GPT has to, suppose you upload a reply, upload a notice, and it doesn't has the case law in there. Suppose there is a vehicle that has been impounded because there's a difference in HSN code. That HSN code
Yes.
might not be in your uh, database or in your custom those case laws. So how it is going to perform in that case?
It will give the reply according to the act and rules. It will not quote the judgment in that case. But the law is there. The understanding of the law is there. Commentary of the law is there.
Okay, that's from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.
So